Hello there. Have you ever wondered when you work with MidJourney how I can write a specific command that MidJourney understand that what I wanted? How I can says that I want border collie puppy on top of the snowball, or how I can create image of a guy with a gun or ghosty person or some other, or what prompt do I need to put it, how I need to write. So in this video I show you the very hidden, literally hidden command inside the MidJourney that help you to do that. Okay, so let's start doing. We're going to the Discord. I'm using Discord with MidJourney, and inside Discord we're going to the prompt and a command what we want to use it. It's /describe. Okay, so you notice when you type describe it says upload image. So what I'm going to do is take and put it one image inside, and this is puppy of the German Shepherd. Next, I go ahead and press enter. After a short time, what MidJourney does, it will take this image and write their own understanding what it see on this image. It's meaning, if you notice right here where we have it, it's description, 4 different descriptions of the image. In a Stable Diffusion, it's called interrogation, but describe is the best way to get it. What actually MidJourney, in this case 5.1, expecting from us to create this image. All what I need to do, you'll notice it's 1, 2, 3, 4. On the bottom, I have it also button. I can just go ahead, click on each of them, and notice what's happening. This is says, do you want render? Yes. Let's go ahead and try to create all 4 of those different descriptions versions so we can see what we have. Okay, right here, and our 4th one, and let's go click submit. As it processes, let's look very fast what we have. A German Shepherd puppy standing on a wood deck in a style of rich grill eel. See, I don't even know what is the style is, but it's nice is identify this for me. Cute and colorful soft focus lens, dark and based on focal expression, light pink and dark gray. So it's nice. It give me coloring, it give me positioning and all descriptions. And now I can go and preview. I don't expect to be 100% sure exactly same, but I want to look something what I describe. Okay, and right here is our first, and this is look somewhat very actually close to what original image, if you remember. So right here is our original image. Okay, by the way, it's my dog, and she's right now about 3 years, quite a bit big size, and but still very nice, very good dog. I like her a lot. Okay, so right here is puppy, and you can see it's actually very good lighting, very nice. That one a little bit different description because we have it, it's a puppy. It does not specify German Shepherd, so it just come out with a puppy on this case. And let's look some nice coloring. This one again, it specified German Shepherd dog on a wooden deck, so it does not says puppy, and we have a dog in this case. And then let's look other ones. It says also dog wearing, so it is different. You can notice it's actually give you different descriptions so you can find what you wanted. You don't necessarily, if you don't want German Shepherd, you can have different ones. Of course, you'll notice when we click on this, like render first one, it's come up with a prompt. So in this prompt, we can have it modify. For example, German Shepherd puppy wearing wings. I don't know what I actually come up with this. I did not try this before. I tried some other ones, so we'll see. But it's kind of cool because now you can take a prompt, you can modify what you want to do it, and you can actually render the image that you actually want to see. Okay, till it's rendered, let me show you some other cool stuff. Because if you want to do something closer to this, what we can do, we can actually, let's go back to this image and we'll do some other ones later. Right here, German Shepherd. I'm going to click on this image, right click and copy link. Next, what we're going to do, go press number 1. And now in this link up front, I'm copy paste this image that I want to do. And on the end, I put it image weight, and let's put 1.5. So we'll have it more. In this case, what I done, I says not just using the description, Also, as says, go ahead and reference or use this image as a guidance to create. Okay, and this is render, and our previous is ready. Well, it does not add wings. I probably need to work a little bit more with a string, see if we can add wings. But it is very close, very nice how it's done. Okay, so here's completed. Let's look. See how accurate it is. Same pose as before. The color on the color and face positioning. So if we look above, you can see what we have here, the pose of the dog, and this is what was rendered. Very close. Marking, coloring. I mean, this is very impressive way how you can create. So let's check other things. So let's go ahead, try people. We go ahead again, go on a describe, and I'm just going copy and drag these portraits. Okay, let's go see what has come up. Okay, and here's our image. One thing I need to point also to show, look on this, it's correct aspect ratio. So if you don't know what is aspect ratio for current image, you can always put it in describe, and it's give you properly sizes, so you don't need guess anymore. You can create. Okay, and right here, dark portrait. You know what? This is the emojis. Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll click 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll just go ahead and check, see how they come up with this. Okay, this is another third one. And one more. Okay, so right here is our original image. Let's see what we have. This is one of the description, and this is nice because we have 4 different descriptions given to us, which is actually look very nice. This is the another pose. I do like lighting. It's matching lighting very good. Here's another one. And one more. So again, this is stylization and poses. If we want to create something very similar to what we have here, again, we need to go to copy link. Now let's go find style we want to use. I like this last style. So I'm going to this, press on 4. We'll go copy paste the image path we have it. And you know what? I want image weight to the heaviest. It's like take image very close to this. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, so again, here's our original, and this is when we use an image reference. Notice how it is closer going to this, but it's still same in the style that I wanted right here. So it's a nice way to do this. Let's try another things. And again, we'll go describe. And as I describe, what I'm going to do is bring and showing this another image. By the way, all the images, what you see photos here, I shot by myself in a studio. I do professional photography. And this one, it was kind of interesting in the ghost on the, I have a stretchy material, lights on the back, and I have a person going and create like a ghosty look. Very cool. So one thing I want to point is that when description coming, when interrogation words coming, they are using safe images. So you know no banned words will be using in this description, which is kind of nice. But keep in mind, you cannot upload it not safe for work images. So they're also filtering images by itself when you upload it, so you cannot have it bad images, and as well work with descriptions. So let's go ahead, render this and see what this come up. I found this sometimes like this very hard to describe some of these images. It's why maybe you want to use it as a guidance, but also result could be very cool. So we'll try this one in a second. Okay, and I'm going just to right click, copy link, and we'll just try that one as well, see how it will come up if we're using just with the image as well. There you go. Okay, let's go see what we have right here. We have a ghostly woman dressed in white, and this is a come up. See, it's cool because it's not exactly this one, but it's still recognizing, and I think some result like right there come up very nice. I mean, it will be hard for me to go and try to describe by the words, try to figure out. Instead, if I using describe the command, then I can put image and it's help me. So let's look right here. This is another one. So this is more ghostly image of someone reaching the hands in style through the fabrics. Look on this. That is look very nice. Okay, a scary ghost standing. So I can see right here. This is funny because lighthouse, ghost, and mech. Okay, let's go. And this is actually lighthouse ghost. Right here, something come on, but this definitely lighthouse will over him. So not every description it's work very well. And this one what was using with the image, if you remember, and it's actually come up very good. This amount of fingers, it is scared by itself. So I think this is very ghostly on the side, but the rest is look very impressive, very nicely. Okay, let's run another. And this one will be a little bit more challenging because it is in the format of the pinup. And pinup words used to be banned in the MidJourney, and recently I found out they actually unbanned this word. So if some words was very kind of, you use it for style of art, with new AI they actually was working. Okay, let's go look what we have. A woman, an astronaut costume, a bale, huge. Okay, let's go just to render them. Okay, we'll go to create and we'll see what's come up with this. And while this was doing, I want to show you some stuff that I did before, and it's come up with kind of very impressive result in this case. So what I done before, I have this photo uploaded, the model who was in the Miss Marvel's outfit, and you can see right here come up. A couple things keep in mind, it is actually says a name, and sometimes when you have it a name of the person or of the actor, that may override if you try to use the images, and I'll show you. So pay attention, sometimes you need to go inside the prompt and just clarify if you want to do closer to the portrait. And look right here, this is what we have. This is very nice. Based on the description, first description was provide, actually created a very interesting effect. Here's another one, Captain Marvel again. You can see it generated very nicely. Captain Marvel, another ones with a little bit same faces because we have it specify, and this is actually, let's look right there. It did a very good job. I mean, impressive from just take image, put it in, and get this description back, and then after take this description and put it in. Okay, so right here is our stylization, and this was done in somewhat 1950s, at least this is what I tried to do, about 1950s. Pinup sci-fi style kind of image that I was creating before. Let's go see how well it will describe. And look on this. This is actually closer to the style what I was going after. Look on this description how it's created. It is woman astronaut costume with a ball. Well, this is helmet, but it says as a ball. Fostered with a style of a ball. Pop art, yes. Okay, so inspired for the pinups. Look right here, so it is unbanned word, which is kind of nice. Word photography, so it's very nicely done. And look on this, perfect. Okay, let's go look on the next one. A girl wearing silk. Okay, so this is slightly different outfit, but it still be very nice. Going on description, woman wearing suit, an American flag. So this is a little bit different one. Again, very impressive. I mean, describe some of them still kind of struggling with some outfits or placing or teeny tiny faces, but general actually did not bad job at all. And this is about all what I want to share with you in this video about this cool new command that describe that you can use it. Take your image, put it inside.